Buttercup Jr. is getting the love today.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over 3 mods that I did to Buttercup Jr. The first one I'm going to talk about is the bumper swap. So I swapped from the base plastic bumper to the capable bumper. I'll go more in depth than that. The second thing is I installed the Buckle Up Off-Road winch mount to the capable bumper. And many of you have asked, how do I do that? Even though I have an in-depth install video on that on the modular bumper, I'm going to show you a couple little tweaks you need to do to make it compatible for the capable bumper. And 3, I'm going to talk to you about the winch I installed and give you a couple details about that. So let's go. Before we get started with this video, I wanted to let you know, since you're watching this video, you get extra savings. If you're interested in the Buckle Up Off-Road winch mount and the Born Offroad winch, you can save 25% bundled together at buckleupoffroad.com. When it comes to bumper swaps, this isn't my first rodeo. We did switch from the capable bumper to the modular bumper on Buttercup. I do have an in-depth install video on that. It wasn't that easy because I was going from a capable bumper made for my sensors to a modular bumper that I modified to fit my sensors. In this case, it's kind of opposite in a way. This Bronco doesn't have the sensors or front cameras or anything like that, so I did have to plug up those holes, and going from the base bumper to the capable bumper had a little bit of challenges. Swapping the capable bumper wasn't as easy as originally thought. The base bumper tow hooks are actually attached to the intercool frame mounts. Removing these with a cutting wheel was necessary to allow clearance for the capable bumper to fit against the frame horns. The next challenge was modifying the base brush guard. Once again, because the tow hooks were integrated into the intercooler bracket, this guard needed to be modified. After a few graceful attempts with a cutting wheel, we found a shape that not only worked, but looked great too. All of which attached with the OEM hardware that came off. Next up, we're going to talk about the Buckle Up Off-Road winch mount. A couple details about that. It does have the camera relocation and sensor relocation, obviously. I don't need any of that with this Bronco, but if your Bronco is equipped with those things, you're not going to lose them with this winch mount. This winch mount is a fan favorite, and it is compatible with the modular bumper. It's also compatible with the capable bumper and the Bronco Raptor bumper. Now, there are a couple little mods you need to do to make it work with the capable bumper, but I have a very in-depth install video of me installing this on the modular bumper. Now, you can follow that video for instructions, and then just come back to this video and I will show you what you need to do to modify the tow hook covers. Installing the Buckle Up Off-Road winch mount on the capable bumper is pretty straightforward. The winch mount itself fits against the bumper, no problem. The issue lies with the plastic tow hook covers that are found specifically on this capable bumper. If you're handy with a cutting wheel and sander, you can make quick work of opening up space needed to accommodate the Buckle Up Off-Road winch mount. In our case, we were able to keep all but one push clip per side, as seen here. So we got the bumper installed, we got the winch mount installed. Now let's talk about the winch I decided to go with. I went with the Born Offroad 10,000-pound winch, which is strong enough for the Bronco. It comes with a forged alloy steel hook with a 1.5-inch opening. That means snag-free rigging, making your recovery process smooth and hassle-free. It's finished in a durable gunmetal powder coat that's built to handle whatever you throw at it. Attached to that hook is a black 3/8-inch synthetic rope stretching out to 85 feet. It's high capacity and strong. Plus, it comes with an anti-abrasive sheath to prevent wear and tear, giving it a longer life expectancy. Now let's talk about weather protection. Since this sits out in the open and will likely get wet while you're stuck in a mud puddle, the winch is IP68 rated, which means it's completely sealed and protected from dust and water. Rain, mud, or river crossings, no problem. Now this is my favorite part, the remote. It comes with a remote that operates in both wired and wireless modes. I like this versatility because you can use it close up or at a safe distance, and you don't need to worry about if your battery's dead. You can always wire it up if needed. And finally, it comes with a powder-coated black fairlead with a large radius opening designed to reduce rope wear and keep things running smoothly during every pull. And another thing I like about this winch is you do get a lifetime warranty from Born Offroad. Now, don't forget, you can get special pricing on the winch mount and winch. If you buy this together at buckleupoffroad.com, you save an additional 25%. So if you're in the market for this, you don't want to miss out. Check out buckleupoffroad.com. Plus, we carry all kinds of other cool Bronco parts for you. That's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Until next time, buckle up, Buttercup.